Hey there, today I have a quick tip for you on how to set the sensitivity on the pre-collision alert system in a 2021 Chevy Equinox. So on your steering wheel here, you see this button right in the middle of this left-hand side cluster. That's going to be the sensitivity button for this assist. So when you hit that, you'll see up here it shows your different settings as far as how sensitive you want that to be. So if somebody pulls out in front of you, this would be the least sensitive, the closest point to impact, to the less sensitive, which would be further out. If somebody were to stop in front of you or make a hard right turn or left turn in front of you, whatever it may be. But that's how you set your sensitivity on the 2021 Chevy Equinox.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.